Well, the 50% kitchen is all done. We've replaced the drywall, bottom half of the drywall all the way around, and we painted it eggshell in color white. And so now essentially it's a giant white kitchen in here with no ugly tile backing and all that. Obviously they still need to remodel or put flooring in and get their countertops and stuff situated. So it's not the greatest, doesn't give the greatest impression right now, but the walls in here are taken care of. They're ready for what they're going to put in place, and that'll all fall into sync once they do that. Also, the 100% bathroom, we're good on that too. Jeremy's turning it completely white eggshell. The walls in here were a disaster. Working on a budget, we fixed them the best we could. Did some sanding and other things in here, and so they'll have a complete eggshell white bathroom for when they come in here with the flooring. They installed a new tub. We trimmed the tub out for them and got that all ready. Fixed this corner here. Should be 100% done and us out of here sometime in the morning. Remember, if you need painting, wall restoration, remodeling, this type of stuff, and you live in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, Southeast Indiana, you can visit www.extrapreppro.com to sign up for a free quotation. See you.